Okay, so this is the grand entrance. When you get off the tour bus, you have the sign, and then this is the main lobby. Excuse me, ladies. Okay, then they normally have welcome drinks right there, and then you go downstairs, and then that's the guest service where you check in.
Enjoy the rest of your trip.
Okay, this is the lower level of the lobby, and there's gift shops over there. This is a kid-friendly resort, so they do have the little kid side, and then the adult pool is over next to it. And this is where they offer all of the excursions. Good morning. Yeah, going home today. Thank you so much. It was nice. I will be back. And so that's the adult pool over there with the huts, and it has a waterfall also. That's really nice. More gift shops. We're actually on our way going to breakfast right now. It's really nice. So this area over here is where they have like all of the parties and stuff. Right up there. And yeah, so this is the adult pool. It is the infinity pool. It does go all around. Really nice. Okay. And I'm about to go eat. Okay. Good morning. We are staying in Villa 16. This is what the outside looks like. He come with the resort, y'all. So, but yes, this is what the outside looks like. They are doing some construction on this side, so we can't go through that way. But our room is right through here. And the beach is behind us. Oh, that water is gorgeous. But yeah, it's really nice. It's cute, it's comfortable. Oh yeah, see, I wish I had that side. So I guess, yeah, that's the ocean side. So all of those rooms over there are the ocean side, of course. But we are on the garden side. And this is the entryway into our room. Okay, and there you have it. We are at the Grand Palladium. This is a king suite. So when you first come in the door, here's the door. There's a mirror right here, full body mirror. And then the bathroom. The shower is lovely. I really love the shower. Okay. Shower, much standing room, enough for 2 people. And then there's a huge jacuzzi tub. Really, really nice with another full mirror. We use our towels. The sink, of course. And then the toilet area is over here. We have our wipes, we got our spray, and an extra roll of tissue. So that's the bathroom. And then this is the closet. It's a lot of closet space, a lot of hangers, you know, traditional ironing board, things like that. And then on this side, more space in the safe, more shelves. So it's very spacious. Ooh, he came with the room too.
Oh, yeah.
He came with the room too.
And I'm an energized buddy.
So-called making the bed, but that's our bed.
I did a good job.
The little desk area.
Energized buddy.
I don't know, a regular size TV. Oh yeah, another mirror. There's a lot of mirrors in here. We have this sitting area. It's a nice painting. And we also have the garden view. I'm sure the ocean view is beautiful. Let's see. Open the door. Please stay. Look at that man's strength. It's the other way. You gonna break that shit? Come on, Hercules. Well, yeah, so this is our balcony. And we are on the first floor, so. Oh, it's so nice. Yes, this is our room. This is what it looks like from this way. We do got 2 seats and a little table out here. Very, very nice. It's hot today. The sun wasn't shining like this yesterday. Okay, so that's our room tour of a king suite. I think junior suite. I don't know. I forgot which one, but I will definitely link it down for y'all if y'all want to stay here. This is what you'll get.